Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get control modules in Warframe. Control modules are rare resources used in many blueprint, especially for crafting Warframe parts and weapons. The easiest way to farm them is by running mission on Neptune, Europa, or Void. One of the most popular farming spots is Teshub. Let's go to Void and you will see Teshub, which is an extermination mission, and Hepit, which is also in Void, which is a quick capture mission. You can either rush through the mission and collect control modules along the way, or stay longer and defeat more enemies to increase your drop chance. Control modules can also drop from Corpus boss like the Hyena on Neptune, and you can get a good amount by staying longer in survival mission on Europa, which is great for early game players. If you prefer passive farming, you can send out resources Extractor on Neptune, Europa, or Void, which occasionally return control module. And that's it. We just learned the best farming location and the method to get control module in Warframe using missions on Neptune, Europa, and the Void. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.